I left my car downtown on Friday night, came back Saturday morning, and it had been towed. But why should I have to pay? There were no signs or anything saying I can't park there, and that comes from James. So what's James' situation here?
All right, yeah, and we see this all the time, and this happens all the time. If you've ever parked your car overnight, there's always a good chance that it may have been towed. So, James, in your case, I want to, well, first, let me introduce Kim Hogan, that is here with us tonight.
Hi, Kim. Glad you're here.
She's going to be talking about the towing process, too. And the title of the show is Predatory Towing. One thing I want to point out is that not every tow that is done is an unlawful or improper tow. You know, there are certain guidelines that these towing companies have to follow, and if they follow them correctly, it's a proper tow. But when they don't follow them correctly, that's when we have a problem. And Kimmy, do you want to kind of answer what James' question was?
Yeah.
Sure. So first of all, James, it depends on where you had parked your car. Was it in the street? Was there some problem with where you had parked it that may have caused it to have been towed other than it was in a parking lot? But if it was in the parking lot, then the question is, had that parking lot complied with the rules and regulations giving you proper warning about the potential of being towed? And there are certain things that they have to do, such as have signs that have lettering that's a certain size that warns you about when your vehicle can and cannot be parked there. They've got to have certain pieces of information about which towing companies are going to be taking your car away. So a lot of it comes down to what was the signage in that tow lot and had they complied with the law.